Today, we're diving into lesson number 3, which is the copywriter's playbook. And trust me, this is where things get exciting. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hi, Earthlings! Good morning! This is Kimmy, and welcome back to my channel, where we unlock the power of words to grow your career and income. If you're ready to level up your copywriting skills, you're in the right place. Girl, nasa tamang channel ka. Today, we're diving into lesson number 3, which is the copywriter's playbook. And trust me, this is where things get exciting. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, let's talk goals. What you'll learn today. Copywriting isn't a one-size-fits-all gig. From crafting irresistible website copy to scroll-stopping social media posts, today's lesson is all about understanding the text formats copywriters use. Ano-ano ba yung mga text formats na ginagamit ng isang copywriter? And how to tailor your words for maximum impact. Ready to learn? Let's go! So, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more updates. Okay? So just a quick question. Do you think great writers are born with talent? Or is it a writing skill that anyone can learn? You can drop your answers in the comments below. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga sagot nyo. Is it yes, talagang natural born writer na sila, or no, that it's a skill that can be learned, that can be taught, or pwede natin matutunan, di ba? So, drumroll. The answer is false. Writing is a skill that anybody can learn and refine with practice. So, if you keep practicing what you're doing, gagaling ka, di ba? Sure, some might have a natural flair. Meron naman talagang mga taong natural born na magaling magsulat, magandang gumawa ng mga vlog nila, mga blogs or whatever. But every great copywriter you admire has honed their craft through hard work and persistence. So, if you keep practicing nga, di ba, gagaling ka rin. Kung lagi mong ginagawa, gagaling ka. So, don't sell yourself short. You've got this. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon. Kayang-kaya mo yan. So, topic number 1, the world of copywriting text. Let's make it real. Imagine you've just landed your first client, an amazing play school called Cloudberry Kids Play School. They need everything, website copy, social media posts, and email campaigns. How do you deliver? Paano mo ma-engage yung mga target audience na gusto makuha ni client mo? So let's break it down. Let's break it down one by one. Number 1, homepage copy, where first impressions count. The homepage is the digital front door to any brand, any kinds of brand. For Cloudberry Kids Play School, the goal isn't to list teachers' bios or share the history of preschool education. It's to attract parents and get them excited about enrolling their children to that play school. So to nail it, your copy should be: first, grab attention fast. Second, highlight the school's unique offerings. Highlight the school's unique offerings, such as like their creative or playful learning approach, or a discount such as 500 pesos off, or if they would be willing to have a free trial classes, that would may engage yung mga clients, yung mga may engage yung mga customers to engage with the clients. play school. So, and lastly, include a clear call to action like schedule a tour, enroll today, inquire us now, book a reservation. Such things like that. Your job, make parents feel that this is the best environment for their kids to grow and thrive. So, number 2, social media posts, the scroll stoppers. Social media is where brands connect and engage. But with endless content out there, how do you stand out? Ang dami-daming naglalabas din ng mga engagement posts, social media cards na very enticing and talagang catchy sa paningin ng mga parents. Paano ka magsa-stand out doon? So, the secret is crafting thumb-stopping post with these goals in mind is boosting brand awareness. Dapat alam ng audience mo kung ano yung brand awareness na ginagawa ni Cloudberry Kids Play School. Yun. Playful environment, ganon, friendly teachers, easy to approach, ganon, friendly staff. And then second is sparking engagement. Think polls like, what's your child's favorite activity? Ganon. So, kailangan magtatanong ko sa mga audience mo kung ano ba yung madalas or yung ano yung gusto mong mangyari dun sa baby mo, dun sa young one mo, diba? And then lastly is driving traffic to the website. Paano ba sila ma-engage dun sa page mo? Paano sila ma-entice? Ano yung magiging call to action mo? Kaya dapat maganda rin yung traffic mo dun sa website. Yon. Speaking of hashtags, they're not just trendy. They're your social media SEO. Use them wisely to amplify your reach. Yon. Alam naman natin kung para saan, paano gamitin ang hashtags, diba? So, use them wisely. Example post. Okay, if you're a social media copywriter, this would pwedeng maging example mo sa SOCMED card mo. Discover the magic of learning and play at Cloudberry Kids Play School, where every child's curiosity is nurtured and every smile is celebrated. Visit us today. What's your child's favorite way to learn? Hashtag Cloudberry Kids, learning through play, bright futures begin here. Yun yung mga pwede mong hashtags. So, and then lastly, number 3, email marketing, standing out in crowded inboxes. So, email is still one of the most powerful marketing tools. But the first challenge, ano ba yung first challenge nito? Getting it open. Kasi ako personally, hindi ako madalas mag-check ng mga emails ko. Sorry guys. Pero yun, hindi ako madalas mag-check ng email unless nakakot yung attention ko. That's why subject lines are your best friend. They need to intrigue, incite, or tease just enough para mag-open ng email itong audience na to. So, for example, magsisend ng email sa parent. Your child's bright future starts here. I-open mo ba yung email na yon? And then, another set of example is 5 reasons to love Cloudberry Kids Play School. So, alin dun sa dalawa yung i-open mo? Siyempre, mas nakaka-entice kapag meron kang 5 reasons to love Cloudberry Play School. Diba? Kasi ano ba yung mga 5 reasons na yon na nakaka-intrigue dun sa Cloudberry Play School na yan, diba? Once the email is opened, your copy should deliver on that promise and guide parents towards specific actions like booking a tour or signing up for newsletters. Or, pwede, mas okay, di ba, kung mag-e-enroll si parent ng kanilang kiddo dun sa school, di ba? So, secret weapon is adaptability. Here's the golden rule of copywriting. Adapt to the format, but stay true to the brand. Whether you're writing a homepage, a post, or an email, your words need to align with the brand's personality and achieve the piece's specific goals. The best copywriters are like chameleons. They adjust their tone, style, and structure to suit any platform. So what's your favorite type of copy to write? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In our next lesson, we're diving into the secret formulas that make copy unforgettable. You don't want to miss it, diba? See you in the next video.